Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove your card on Google Play Store. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow the tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section, and all you need to do is just type play.google.com and hit the enter button. That will actually take you into this page, and of course you would like to be logged in into your account. So of course, how you will know that? By seeing an icon. This could be your icon with your name or whatever it is. If you already like having an icon, you will find it there. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you will be able to log in into your account or to create your account at the top right corner. And of course, you will be able to do those two options with your email account or the Gmail account. Of course, it will be much faster if you want to log in or create your account. So once you're logged in into your account, you'll find that as we said here with this home or with this main screen. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to remove our card from Google Play Store. So of course, if you would like to do that, simply we would like to click at our icon at the top right corner in the home page. From here, we would like to choose the payments and subscriptions option. And here, if you are not on the payments method, maybe you are in a subscriptions option or something, just go and click on this payments method option. Of course, for me, I already deleted all my cards, but for you, as you can see, they are telling me to add a debit card or a credit card. But for you, of course, if you have here your card, simply you will have option there called edit. Just go and click at edit payment method. Once you click on it, enter the payment method you want to remove, you will have an option called remove. Just go and click on it and you will be able to remove it. Of course, if you want to use it again, you will need to add it again from here. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.